My name's John Pratchett and I'm at the Glen Sound HQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install a Divine Intelligent loudspeaker from Glen Sound. So for ease of installation, the Divine features an integral 75mm VESA mount to allow it to be fixed to a huge variety of off-the-shelf mounting solutions. The good news about this is no longer do you have to buy an overly expensive mounting bracket, which can only be used on your current loudspeaker. Also, we have standard mic threads which are provided on the base to allow quick and easy mounting of a Divine monitor speaker in location environments to a standard microphone stand. And finally, of course, being a network audio device with an Ethernet cable connected, it makes perfect sense to power the unit from standard power over Ethernet, meaning one single cable carries all your audio and power, making installation and setup quick, simple, and hassle-free. So if you want to find out more, go and have a look at the glensound.com website. You'll find all the information under the Dante AES 67 section.